he is great and he is one. One who said that she is one.
Yes. Before. All right. You know, you couldn't say it. Could you? No. No. Out of the three possible references, we are left with two only. Either he or she. Now, what would you prefer to be called?
I'll prefer to say he, but...
No, I said what would you prefer to be called yourself?
Myself?
Yes.
He.
Why such vehemence to the word he? As if it was an insult if you were called a she.
Yeah, but no one has seen Allah, so how can you know that it is a he?
I understand your point. I was just playing with you. The fact is that Allah has no sex. He is neither a he in the human terms nor a she in the human terms. But the fact is that you could not call him it either, because he has a life, he has a consciousness, and he is life and the source of all life. So how could you call him it? So it is out present. So but he is still neither he nor she. And you couldn't address to call him a eunuch either, because that is a bad thing. That is a defect, and he has no defect. He is not he or she, not because he is a eunuch, in between, but because these things do not apply to him. You know, the human sexuality is a limited affair to the animal kingdom of this world. And this sexuality, the concept of this sexuality is not applicable to any heavenly body, not to mention Allah. Even the angels are neither he nor she. So the other heavenly bodies, whatever they are not made like a man and woman. So out of the two, you had to have a choice. And because more often than not, certain weaknesses are attributed to women in every society. Even in those societies which are called the so-called most modern and sophisticated societies and emancipated societies, still they are talking of women's liberation of women. If women were not weak, why should they be liberated? The very issue of the liberation of women proves the point that they are poor things, they are weak as compared to men, they are weaker. And because they were weaker and they had been subjugated by men, so the question of their liberation arose. So because it refers to a weaker sex out of the two, the word she, so it could not be applicable to Allah. So we are left with only he, or invent a fourth one. You see? You understand? Good.